This is a tribute to Pope Francis, a leader who has inspired millions around the world with his messages of compassion and humility, embracing the marginalized and advocating for peace. His journey began in Argentina, where he dedicated his life to serving others, and as he ascended to the papacy, he carried those values with him, becoming a beacon of light for those in need. Throughout his papacy, Pope Francis has consistently emphasized the importance of mercy and understanding, reminding us all to reach out to those who are suffering and to build bridges instead of walls. He has not shied away from addressing challenging issues such as climate change, inequality, and the need for social justice, urging each of us to take action in our communities. His heartfelt commitment to peace and acceptance has ignited a global conversation on the importance of love over hatred and understanding over prejudice. Pope Francis has consistently encouraged the young generation to be active participants in shaping a better future, instilling hope through their actions and dreams. His unwavering commitment to justice and peace serves as a reminder that every small act of kindness contributes to a larger movement of love and healing in the world. Through these initiatives, Pope Francis has inspired individuals and communities around the globe to come together, fostering a sense of responsibility towards our planet and each other. His efforts shine a light on the plight of the vulnerable, encouraging everyone to extend their hands and hearts to those who need it most. By leading through example, Pope Francis continues to challenge us all to question our priorities and embrace a life rooted in generosity and service. In every visit, every interaction, and every message, he reinforces the idea that love knows no boundaries and that we all share a common responsibility to uplift one another. His presence at such events symbolizes a call to action, urging leaders and individuals alike to prioritize our planet and its people over political and personal agendas. By engaging on international platforms, he amplifies voices that often go unheard, advocating for systemic change that uplifts the disadvantaged. Through such actions, he emphasizes that collective efforts can bring about significant change, driving home the message that every individual has a role to play in creating a just world. His interactions with young people ignite a passion for activism, reminding them that their voices matter and can spark meaningful change in society. In these moments, he highlights the urgency of global cooperation, urging all nations to unite in tackling challenges that threaten our shared existence. By participating in these poignant events, he signifies the importance of remembrance and compassion, showing that we can all contribute to healing in times of sorrow. Through his actions, he encourages a shift toward sustainability, reminding us that caring for our planet is integral to caring for one another. These gatherings become powerful reminders that faith can inspire collective action, fostering a sense of belonging and purpose among all. His willingness to learn from various fields illustrates the interconnectedness of faith and science in addressing the pressing issues of our time. These moments reflect his unwavering commitment to nurturing a culture of peace and environmental stewardship, encouraging us all to take responsibility for our planet's future. Through such engagement, he emphasizes the importance of dialogue across generations, fostering understanding and connection within diverse communities. These interactions serve as reminders that unity among different beliefs can pave the way for lasting peace, encouraging dialogue and collaboration.